Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 BMW M5. In the highly competitive realm of small sports sedans, the 2023 BMW M5 emerges as a powerhouse, blending exceptional performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As a flagship model in BMW's esteemed M series, the M5 sets a new benchmark for what a sports sedan can achieve, catering to enthusiasts who crave both speed and sophistication. At the core of the 2023 BMW M5 is a formidable 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 600 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which includes a rear-wheel drive mode for purists who seek a more traditional driving experience. The M5 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds, showcasing its ability to deliver thrilling performance on demand. However, the M5's prowess extends beyond straight-line speed. BMW's engineers have meticulously tuned the M5's suspension, chassis, and steering to offer precise and responsive handling. The adaptive M suspension allows drivers to choose between comfort and performance settings, ensuring the M5 can adapt to a variety of driving conditions. The car's dynamic capabilities are further enhanced by an active M differential and advanced aerodynamics, providing stability and control even at high speeds. The exterior design of the 2023 BMW M5 exudes aggression and elegance. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is accentuated by sharp lines, a bold kidney grille, and adaptive LED headlights. The sporty character of the M5 is further emphasized by its 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and M-specific design elements, all contributing to its commanding presence on the road. Inside the cabin, the M5 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment. Premium materials such as merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The M5's advanced technology suite includes BMW's iDrive infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Performance-oriented features such as an M-specific head-up display, M multifunction seats, and a sport steering wheel enhance the driver's engagement and comfort. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2023 BMW M5. The sedan comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a suite of other advanced safety systems, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 BMW M5 redefines the standards for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the M5 offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated. Whether navigating city streets or conquering winding roads, the M5 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.